You good to go? That's fine, we can spin around. Well, again, turn your hips this way, onto your heels.
Yeah.
And you come out. Good? Good. You're fine, don't worry about it. Just snowboard, this will catch you. Okay, you go in front, I'm just going to be behind you and around you, okay? Okay. Alright, slow down. Think about it. Okay, slowly down the hill. Come up, then round. Look across to the view. And then you come up, look down the hill. That's it. It's okay. That was start coming in again. Okay, let's try again. Stand up, so we're looking down the hill. Left foot is slightly more down the hill than the right. Coming up, we're pushing our hips across. Yes. Riding across, looking down the hill, then looking across the hill. Beautiful. Coming up, flattening our feet. Yeah, that's the one. Nice. Turning left here. Slowly, 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 slowly look across the hill. Yes. That's it. Ride across for a little bit so we have a bit more space. And when we're ready, board can go down the hill. Hips go across when our board is flat. It's okay, kitten's there. So we're coming up, Board's going down the hill, we're flattening our feet, and then the hips are transitioning onto our toe side. Hip this way, hip this way. Hips have to go across? Yeah. As soon as that board's flat, we can put our hips wherever we want. Yeah! There we go. Slowly across. That's it. No kicking, just with our hips. Across the body. Down the hill gently. And then the hips go across. Beautiful. No need to kick that foot because our hips are going to do all the work for us. There. So it goes down the hill, goes across the hill, coming up. Ball goes down the hill, hips go across, and then we're looking across a beautiful view. Nice. You've got it, whole way to the end. You've got it, you've got it, you've got it. Go through the gap. Nice, good job. Come up, hips go across. Yeah.